Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here from Emotional Crypto Trading. We're continuing our video series related to price analysis and technical details as we take care about the Bitcoin. 2.41% increase for the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, the last 7 days are sitting quite well on 7.43%. The global market cap is as well increasing, just like the whole space of the alts. So we are seeing the top 10 doing an average of 7 to 8% in the past 7 days. And then, pretty averages are around 2% for the past 1 hour. BTC is sitting between the averages. It's great, basically. Having in mind the pump that we did, something that is not usual in terms of volatility. Take a look at what has happened in the last hours for Bitcoin. I mean, the alts have not been able to do this, have not been able to print a such structure. So this is why we got to be pretty careful with that. So let's have a look at this, guys. The first thing that we had was a ranging movement here that was activated for quite a few days. 10 days and 18 hours, we have been ranging. That dip which came in afterwards was extremely powerful. That put us into the zone of 18,630's support. Reaction was not only decent, it was much more than that. Our reaction was prompt and strong. So then what has done is you had your 1.272 Fibonacci extension representation on which we have reacted with significant pressure. And that's great because the bulls needed to confirm their previous reaction. So it comes in as a double confirmation or extra confirmation of the pattern, as we used to call it. So then what has happened is the massive pump that basically generated this move for the past 24 hours. This is, more than 12%, guys. That's huge. This is huge. And this is just possible during the weekend, as you already know. Movements like this so quickly, so aggressively is possible during the weekend. If we measure this from the bottom to the top, we'll see that BTC did 17%, which is something that Ethereum or BNB or Cardano did as well. So we're not talking about a difference between them. And that's massive. But at the same time, I'll tell you that the alts are not close to this top. So in terms of the structure, Bitcoin looks quite well. Bitcoin looks quite well. Because the dip it had here was not that big compared to what the others have been able to put in. And a lot of the guys have been jumping on shorting it during these structures. So which is why there's been liquidations on board at a large scale. One day, 11.77%. Liquidations at large scale. This is what we had in the past 24 hours, which is why the price have jumped like that. I would definitely consider this as a great possibility and alternative out there. So, one in one, overall speaking, we're sitting quite well. Any retracement right now is supposed to find decent supports, slightly around $21,000 and then around 20,500. We got this great market conditions. Yep. Beautiful. So for those of you that care about education and think that it's the source of your success, education and skills that are triggering the actions, right? Well, we have the one-on-one coaching directly with me where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Just make sure to watch this video till the end to find out more. For those of you that value education and think that the results are generated by hard work, preparation, and a continuous process of learning, make sure to check out watching this video, as this is my one-to-one coaching, which I do out of passion for the ones that are interested in this space of learning how to trade professionally. We do have a one-to-one coaching program where I'll take you from A to Z into the process. It's basically a program that runs between 4 to 6 weeks directly with me. Usually we're doing on Zoom conversations. So basically we have the share screen turned on and I'm teaching you how to trade from the research process until the last stages of the market. So we're actually talking about a comprehensive process. We need an intensive coaching, which is going to have homework for you to do, where we're going to verify the knowledge together, where we're going to perform trading. It's actually explained on our page. We have 3 different stages of the coaching: psychology, technicals, and live trading. We have a whole lot of the things explained on our page. You can find out more information as well. Just watch this video here where I'm explaining how does it work. And you can, by the way, qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where we can discuss these things. So it's scrembocoaching.com with the page. You can register now. On your email, you're going to find out the offer straight away, and you can reply to that. As well, for those of you looking to join the trades that I perform for myself, if you want to be part of it, we are doing trading through API. So if you think that if you want to be part of the trades that I do for myself as well, feel free to participate. There's no upfront fees. It's just a commission out of the pure profits we make. That's pretty much all. On the left side of the page, you have my trading performance documented since September 2017, and then on the right side of the page you have how does it work. On the top left corner you got our page, scrembocoaching.com/today, and this is where you can have more information. Once again, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you're going to do all the things backed up by the data. This is very important in the trading process. Nothing can be done out of the blue, and it's not because what we want to perform out of nothing. It's most likely we need to do things correctly just because that's how the markets are telling us to do. That's all, folks. See you soon.